everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video I am here to show you guys some new items that we have on the website, and I'm also here to tell y'all the exciting news. We are having another sale. The sale starts today. It ends on Sunday. The sale is 35% off all orders over $25 or $25 and over. So you have to make sure that your order is $25, and that's when the sale will apply. Now there are some stuff on the website that the sale is not going to apply to. The mystery bags will not be on sale, and also the little mini bag saving challenge bundles will not be on sale, which I'm about to show y'all those. Everything except the new arrivals will be on sale. All the binders will be on sale. So before we start, let's go ahead and jump into our positive quote. Let us see what positivity we're going by today. And it reads, choose joy every day. This is cute. Choose joy every day. Don't choose miserableness. Don't choose to be mad. Don't choose to be upset. Don't choose to be broke. Don't choose all the bad things and all the negative things that life has to offer. Choose to be happy. Choose joy. Let me get right into the video. I want to let y'all know that the mystery bags have been restocked, and the mystery bag includes 9 items, including a binder. So there is a binder in the mystery bag. Now I cannot open this bag and show y'all what's inside because of course it's a mystery. So if you guys are interested, the mystery bag is here. It is I think it's like 6 by 10 size bag, so of course you can use it for other things. You could take the things out and you could use your bag for other things. It's a pretty good big size bag. This is my phone compared to the size of the mystery bag. Okay. So the mystery bag is there. It includes 1 binder, saving challenges, and other interesting stuff and other cute stuff. So if you guys want to grab a mystery bag, go ahead. It's on the website. The link will be in the description below. I was completely sold out of these in a flash, so I did restock them, and it's still limited amounts. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and grab yourself a mystery bag. Now the next thing that I want to show y'all is, I haven't named it as yet. It comes in this bag. This is also another bag, real cute, small, probably around 4 by 4 or 5 by 5 is the size of this bag. And inside this bag you will get a keychain. Let me open it so y'all can see. So you'll get a keychain. You could either put this on your keys, you could either put this on your binder, you could put this wherever you want. Isn't this cute? Look at this cute little cup. So you'll get a keychain inside this package. Along with the keychain, you will get the Girl Power bundle. And these bundles are not sold like single by themselves. It only comes in this package. So the packages that I'm showing y'all only have unique stuff inside of them. It's nothing on the website that's included in them. They're like completely new stuff. This is a Girl Power bundle, and this is what's included. This is one of the challenges inside the goodie bag. We have Attitude, because why not? And this is $5. We have Real Bad. These are 10s. We have Run the World. These are 15, 20s, and 5s. And it's 3 challenges in the Girl Power bundle. So that's included in that little bag right there. Next, that's included in the small mini goodie bag is a scratch and save. And this scratch and save is connected with a little round keychain thingy. This is so cute. And then you get to scratch and save. And the fun part about this scratch and save that I added was, if you read right here, it says get a 2-time symbol and double the amount shown. So if you scratch this and there's a 2-time symbol, then you have to double that by 2, and that's what you have to save. So this is a scratch and save. It comes in, I call this scratch off. So I'll say like a doubler scratch off. This is the doubler scratch off, and it's included in this little bag right here. And the last thing that you'll get into this bag is the Spoiled bundle, and it's also connected by a little ring, and it is, I think it's 6 pieces. So you have Spoiled, you have Step In, you have Rider, you have Dolly, you have Princess, and you have Drama Queen. Inside this goodie bag, you get 4 items: the scratch off, the keychain, the girl power bundle, and the spoiled bundle. And these are not available by themselves, okay? It comes in the bundle. What is the uniqueness of the bundle if I'm going to include it? You get what I mean? So we have a small cute mini bag available. We have the unicorn goodie bag, and with the unicorn goodie bag, it's a cute little transparent bag like this, and these are what's inside. You have a small pack of highlighters. These are the cutest. They're teddy bear highlighters. Cute, 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 cute. Cuteness overload. Y'all see this? You'll get unicorn teller slips. So they're all like different unicorn colors and have different unicorn stuff on them. So this is included in the bag as well. I'm so creative. Oh my god, oh my god. Listen, I am so in love with all my products. I myself wants to buy my products. Go on the website and place the order. Hello. Next up on the unicorn challenge, we have unicorns. So we have, this is a 4-piece bundle and it's unicorns, and this one is 20s, this one is 30s, this is 15s, and this is 20s and 15s together. So this is also included in the unicorn bag. And last but not least, there's a part of the unicorn bag which I think is kind of like my favorite thing. The unicorn bingo. Oh, y'all see the colors? Y'all see the colors? Do y'all see the colors? Do y'all see the colors? OMG. So we have a unicorn 4-piece bingo included inside the unicorn challenge. And the good thing about the unicorn challenge and the small boss girl, I'm gonna call it, I don't know what I'm gonna call them yet, y'all. I don't know. So the good thing about these little mini goodie bags are that all the challenges inside these are laminated. These are 100% reusable. They are laminated already for you. You don't have to laminate them. Is a good thing about them, and they are all cute. Both of them have 3 sets of stuff along with something, if y'all realize. So this have 2 challenges, a teller slip and a pack of highlighters, and this have 3 challenges and a keychain. So these are the goodie bags. I am in love with them. If you guys like them, they are available on the website. Go and grab them now before they are sold out. The sale is going on. The sale is going on. So every other item on my website will be on sale. So I'm just gonna go over a few of my binders that I have available and a few of my challenges that I recently added that I feel like you guys probably don't know about. So we have the Bratz Saving Challenge binder. This one is 5K. I'm only showing y'all the dashboards, but these are full gold binders available on the website. I have the Bratz binder where you save $5,000. I do have a self-care binder available on the website now. If you guys didn't know, there's a self-care binder with challenges, includes challenges for self-care. There is the burn book, so the burn book is there as well. We have the Rainbow Saving Challenge binder, and we have Save 2K Saving Challenge binder. We have the Bad Issues Only. This is an A7 size binder and challenges. This isn't a binder, this is just a challenges only. It's the Beyonce Renaissance Challenge bundle, and it does come with a dashboard if you guys want to put it inside a binder. Bundle is also available and also comes with a dashboard if y'all want to put it inside a binder as well. And the new thing that I did add to the website is the Merry Christmas Challenge. You know, Christmas is right around the corner, so we do have the Merry Christmas Challenge bundle, and we also have the Roll the Dice is back. It is in the size A6, So if you guys are interested, that's also back on the website. And of course, we do have the 50 envelope challenge, and the 100 envelope challenge is also available as well, along with all my challenges and everything else are on sale. So if you guys want them, get them. The sale ends on Sunday, this Sunday. So these are my new goodie bags that I offer now on my website. I might add more different styles and stuff. So you guys, if y'all are interested, the mystery bag is restocked, or a little mini spoiled goodie bag is now available. And we have our unicorn bundle goodie bag, which is also available on the website now. And you better know they're not gonna last. So if you need something, go buy it, baby, because I don't want to hear y'all singing in my ears, oh my god, Moya, I didn't get to get it, I missed the sale, and I missed this, and I missed that. Even though y'all are super cute, go and get the stuff if you guys like anything here. I am so in love with these two things. Oh my god, I love the way my brain works. My brain is creative. I have a creative brain, okay? Guys, I am so, you see the size of the mystery bag against these? Y'all see the size of this thing? All my people who bought the mystery bag the first time I came out with it were so in love with the mystery bag. Head on over to the website, guys. Catch the sale, use the sale, use the sale, use the sale, use the sale. It's a lots and lots and lots of cute stuff over there. Everything has been restocked. The budget planner will be restocked probably by next week, so I will have those available for you guys by next week. But for right now, everything else is in stock. So head on over to the website and catch the 35% off all orders 25 and over sale. It is going on now. So thank you all so much for watching the video, and I will see y'all in the next video.